Hi, BDS first year, or should I say freshers? Hi, I'm Dr. Swasti, BDS intern. Let's talk about which books you actually need to buy and which one you can skip. So sit back, relax, and let's begin your first year books guide. Let's talk about Human Anatomy. Textbook of Human Anatomy by B.D. Chaurasia. This book has 4 volumes, but don't worry, you only need volume 3 and volume 4. Volume 4 is all about brain and volume 3 covers head and neck. Believe me, this book is amazing. It will help you throughout your journey in dentistry, especially volume 3. It's something you will keep referring back to again and again. And if you are tight on budget, so you can buy only volume 3. Now comes Physiology, Human Physiology by A.K. Jain. I have 4th edition, but I think the 5th edition is the new. This is such a beautiful subject because you have already studied the basics till class 12th. So you don't worry, you won't find it difficult at all. Once you start reading, it will all feel so familiar and interesting. So my lovely first year, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I am new here, and that's exactly why I will be giving you the honest review about everything. And if you have any doubts, just drop them in comment section and I promise I will reply to you immediately. And who knows, maybe your one comment could even connect you with your future batchmates. So even you find my videos helpful or interesting, please don't forget like, share and subscribe because that's really motivate me to make more videos. And now one of the most important books for dentistry, Wheelers, for dental anatomy. This is your core dental subject. Here you will learn about the anatomy of each tooth. लोग कहते हैं ना कि तुमने 5 साल सिर्फ दांतों के बारे में पढ़ा, ऐसा क्या है दांतों में, तो उनको ये बुक दे देना क्योंकि एक एक दांत की अलग अलग एनाटॉमी होती है, वो सिर्फ एक डेंटिस्ट को ही पता होता है. तो एक एक स्ट्रक्चर, एक एक दांत कैसा दिखता है वो इस बुक में बताया गया है और वो भी डायग्राम के साथ. तो इट विल फाइंड यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आप अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में DADH बहुत सुनोगे. DA मीन्स डेंटल एनाटॉमी एंड DH मीन्स डेंटल हिस्टोलॉजी. फॉर डेंटल हिस्टोलॉजी ऑर्गन्स इट इंक्लूड्स द हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ टूथ स्ट्रक्चर. एंड फर्स्ट ईयर की लैब होती है DADH, उसमें आप हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ द टूथ बनाते हो, डायग्राम बनाते हो. वैसे तो आप बहुत कुछ करते हो बट हाँ, हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ द टूथ बनाते हो जिसमें से पढ़ना आपको ये इसका. And finally, Biochemistry by Satyanarayana. And honestly, this one might feel a little boring in the beginning, but trust me, once you get into it, it's not that bad. Yes, it's difficult to read from this book, but start reading. Daily one topic at a time और आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी आपके एग्ज़ाम में. एंड आपका फिजियोलॉजी एंड बायोकेमिस्ट्री का कंबाइंड पेपर होगा. And so 35 marks from each subject. So that's your quick guide for BDS first year books. But remember, it's not about how many books you buy. It's all about how smartly you study them. So if you are tight on budget, you can borrow this book from your seniors or you can even opt for second hand books and also from your college library.